Hello everyone, Texas Italian here, and welcome to Agario. Wait a second. Can I try... Oh my god. Yes! Let's freaking go! Okay, somebody told me that if you play as a country, you'll get their flag. Oh shit. And I decided to play as Denmark. Let's freaking go! Okay. Ah. Oh shit. Oh shit. Stop trying to devour Denmark. Oh shit, that's a wall. Shit. Oh shit. How did I survive that? Okay, who's on the leaderboard? Trump is on the leaderboard. I feel bad for America. Oh shit. Get over here, you little bitch. Get over here. No! Oh shit, never mind. Wait, what was that? I see you. Pablo, get over here. Pablo. Come here. Doge. No, I see you. I see us. Fuck you. Ooh, I'm in the leaderboard, but I'm only 64. That sucks. There's not even that much people playing on the server. What the heck? Oh shit. Almost ran straight into you. I will become number 1 on this server. Oh shit, not if I go over there, I won't. Oh shit, no. Get away. Get away from Denny. Denny? That's actually a really good name. Denny. I'm gonna call Denmark Denny from now on. So freaking boring. Oh shit. Why the hell is there no music? Seriously. Actually, wait, is there music? I kinda hear something, but I kinda don't. Oh well. Who the hell? What the hell was that? I swear I saw something. I swear. Oh shit, not worth it. No! Oh, so far so good. 55 on the leaderboard, 51, 50. Why are the numbers changing so fast? Oh shit, no. It's actually kind of boring. Oh, Santa, Finland, Santa, no! Get over here, Santa! No, shit! No! I hate you, Santa! Well, Denmark failed me. Let's try someone else this time. Hell yeah, playing as Texas. And we get the flag too. Sweet. Oh shit, Juan, get away. Also, how do you pronounce this? Agario? I don't know. My teacher used to pronounce it agario, so maybe. But that's how she pronounced it. So I'm not really sure. Wait. North Korea. You can't not. Korea. Fuck. And all because I wanted to get Korea. Fuck you, Korea. Actually, no, I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. I'm sorry. Okay. Let's try something different this time. Actually, no. I got the best idea ever. Yeah! Playing as IKEA. IKEA. I am sorry if I offended anyone from Sweden. I am sorry. Oh shit, Jason, Santa, no! Oh shit, I escaped the devil Santa. What? Go, how the hell do you pronounce your name? Oh shit. This is boring. Boring. Oh shit. Never mind. It's not boring. Come on, IKEA. Get Marco. Get Marco. Come on. Come on. Yummy. No. Oh shit. Oh shit. Never mind. IKEA. Not worth it. Ooh, Nutella. IKEA can go for some of that. Oh shit. There's someone big behind me. Oh shit. Oh holy shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Team, get away. Oh shit. Yummy. IKEA will devour you all. IKEA. The one place where no one is safe. Hashtag not sponsored. I can get you. I can get you if I try. Oh shit, never mind. Oh shit. There's no way I'm gonna be able to escape this now. IKEA is gonna lose. I'm calling it. IKEA is gonna get devoured soon. Oh shit! Oh shit! Tupac! Get away! What the hell is? Oh, it's one of those things. What the hell am I even doing now? Oh shit! What are these? This reminds. Okay, I just remembered something funny that happened at IKEA once. Okay, my brother was 6 at the time. Me and my family, we went to IKEA, and oh shit! Oh, I didn't mean to do that. No! IKEA, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me, IKEA. No! Oh shit! Run away, IKEA! Run! No! You failed me, IKEA. I hate you. Oh my god. Thanks for protecting me, IKEA. I'll be right back. Okay guys, we're back, and I'm gonna try and play as Italy. Does that work? Oh shit, yes. Shit, yes. The game's... What the hell? The game was lagging so bad. I have a very slow computer, so this game might be a little bit laggy. Okay, a lot laggy. Oh shit, no. Get away from me! No! No! Don't... Oh shit! Get away from me, you son of a bitch! Why is the game so fucking laggy? I'm gonna fix my computer after this, cause I cannot work with this piece of shit. Oh shit! Speaking of shit. Oh, that was a perfect dodge. DF, get over here, help the pasta army, no! Oh shit, never mind. Ay, holy shit. Remember what Deutsch told you. Ay. Actually, I'm safe. There's no one around here. No one around here equals nobody to get eaten by. Plus I'm gonna become number 1 in the leaderboard. I may be 57 or 37. I can't see it. Oh shit. Big Red, get away. I see this guy over here. Get over here. Get over here. Get over here. No. Help me. Help. You can help Italy. You can help save Italy if you just please help save Italy. I don't care if this guy's right next to me. You're gonna help me save Italy, both north and south. Get over here. Feminism? Oh shit, no. Screw you all. Okay, so far I am 51 on the leaderboard. That is terrible. Electro, get away. There's a fly over here. Oh shit! I didn't even realize I was at the top of the screen. I didn't even notice. Shit. Why is my computer so laggy? I'm gonna have to taste. I'm gonna take this to Blockbuster after this. Blockbuster? No, not Blockbuster. What's it called? What the hell is it called? AT&T. AT&T. Yeah, AT&T. Shit! No! Run away, Italy's! Run away! Shit. Pablo, don't do this to Ita-chan. Come on, reform. Oh shit, I'm at the wall. No, Pablo, don't do this. Fuck you, Pablo. Fuck you. Okay. I'm gonna try one more, and then that's it. Because honestly, I'm already getting a little bit ticked off at this. Only question is... Wait a second. Best idea ever. Motherfucking Spain! Yes! I'm trying to sing Spain's theme song. Oh, Mexico! No. Get away, Mexico. No. I am small, so I should be faster than you. There's another Mexico! Oh my god. Please tell me there's not gonna be another Mexico over here, because I really don't want to be beaten right now. Creepy ass fly over here. No way. Please don't be a wall. 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 Oh shit, never mind. Please don't be a wall. Please don't be a wall. I'm really hoping not to run into a wall right now. Because if I run into a wall, then that's gonna be bad. It's gonna be bad for Spain. Spain. Yeah, Spain. I almost said Mexico. Oh shit, no. Get away from me, Big Green. Shit! Screw you, Big Green. Okay, that's pretty much gonna be it. And bye. I gotta go regain my sanity. Again, already getting ticked off. Bye.